Hey guys, my name is Joey and welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to choose the right plan for your store in Robosell. First is take a look at your current plan, which is the free plan. Robosell offers a free trial to recover up to 100 abandoned checkouts. But after that, you will have to choose the plan in order to continue using our service. So Robosell offers 3 different plans for different types of stores. The first plan is a $29 version, which charges a commission of 3.5% on any recovered revenue. The second plan is the $79 version, which charges a commission of 1.5% on any recovered revenue. And finally, the third plan is the $299 version, which charges a commission of only 1% on any recovered revenue. So to help you choose the right plan for your store, here are some guidelines. So if your store's monthly average revenue is below $12,000, then the $29 version is the best choice for you. And if your store's monthly average revenue is over $220,000, then the $299 version is the right plan for you. And for stores with monthly average revenue in between those two amounts, the $79 plan is the perfect choice. So that's it for today's video, and if you have any questions or issues with using Robosell, you can leave the comment below, and I will see you next time.